As we celebrate the hard work, dedication, and achievement of our talented participants, competitions like these are not just for winning, but about pushing boundaries, learning, and growing. To all our participants, you have shown remarkable skill, passion, and perseverance. Whether you take home a prize today or not, remember that your efforts and experience are invaluable. Now, let us start the ceremony. I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Janab Wahab Sahab, Cooperator of Chandran Gutta. I welcome, sir. Now, Khirat. I'd like to call the first A boys to come on the desk for Khirat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Surah Ikhlas The Unity Allahu Ahad Say is Allah the one and only Allahu Samad Allah the everlasting refugee. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He does not beget and he is not begotten. Wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is no one equal to him.
Now, the name is made by Khuda Memuna from class 9.
Respected principal, teachers, honored guests, parents, and my dear friends. It is with a great joy and excitement that I welcome you all to this special occasion, our prize distribution ceremony. Today is a day of celebration, a day to recognize the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our talented students. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Wahab, for taking the time to join us today. Your presence is an inspiration to all of us, and we are honored to have you here. Our school has always been a place of learning, growth, and excellence. It is not just about textbooks and exams, but about shaping young minds, building confidence, and inspiring dreams. Thanks to our wonderful teachers, supportive principal, we are encouraged every day to do our best, push our limits, and never give up. To my fellow friends, whether you win a prize today or not, but always remember that a true success comes from learning, efforts, and perseverance. Every challenge makes us stronger, and every failure is a step closer to success. So keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and one day you will achieve your goals.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Respected guests, dear teachers, enthusiastic participants, and most importantly, our talented winners. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this vibrant gatherings of young minds and creative spirits. Today, as we celebrate the success of our inter-school essay writing competition, I want to begin by congratulating all the participants who have taken the bold step to express their thoughts, ideas, and visions through the power of words. A special congratulations to all the winners. Your dedication, imagination, and clarity of thoughts have truly set you apart. But to all the participants, let me say this. The courage to participate, the effort to research, and the willingness to share your voice is already a victory in itself. Competitions like these are more than just a contest. They are a platform for expression, a breeding ground for future leaders, and a celebration of diversity in thought. When students from different schools come together to engage in such activities, it builds bridges across institutions and communities. This competition is not just about essays, it's about encouraging our youth to think critically, to articulate their ideas confidently, and to become conscious citizens who care about society and its future. As educators and mentors, it is our duty to nurture such talents and create opportunities that challenge and inspire our students. Through this event, we hope to ignite a love for writing and communication that will serve them throughout their lives. Let us continue to support initiatives like this, not just to benefit our students, but also to enrich our entire community. For when young voices raise with purpose, society listens, learns, and grows. I would like to say this is our first year when we have taken this initiative to conduct essay writing competition among all the schools of Hafiz Babanagar. And inshallah, from next year also, we will be continuing the same inter-school competitions, not only essay writing, but in other fields also. And we are asking for the support of other principals also. As you all know, my parents have always served for the community, and inshallah I will also serve for the benefit of the community by conducting these kind of competitions, by creating such type of buzz in students to participate and to show their talent. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and thank you for being part of this meaningful celebration. Let us carry forward this spirit of creativity, collaboration and community. Thank you.
Your support has made this competition a meaningful and enriching experience for all. Now it's my honor to invite Mr. Jarab Mahatahan, cooperator of Chandanmuta, to say a few words. Mr. Jarab Mahatahan, with the band.
मैडम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आप तमाम का पहले तो तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि मैडम का और प्रिंसिपल सर का जो उस्मान सर है। बच्चों, मैं आप तमाम को ये बतलाना चाहूँगा कि मैं भी यही स्कूल का स्टूडेंट हूँ जो उस्मान सर यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, उन्होंने ही मुझे पढ़ाया है। मैं ये स्कूल में LKG या नर्सरी से पढ़ा हूँ। तो मैं आप तमाम के सामने ये रखना चाहूँगा कि आज मैं जिस मुकाम पर हूँ, शायद उसमें मेरे सर की भी बहुत दुआएं हैं, उनकी भी मेहनत है। और मैं सारे बच्चों से ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आप तमाम भी जो है ना अच्छा दिल लगाकर पढ़िए। हमारे शहर का, हमारे हिंदुस्तान का, हमारी बस्ती का और हमारे जो स्कूल के सर है प्रिंसिपल मैडम का और सर का नाम रोशन करिए। क्योंकि मैं आप तमाम को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इल्म दुनिया में एक सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। इल्म दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा एक हथियार है जिससे हम अपने आप को और अपनी कौम को और अपने मुस्तकबिल को कामयाब बना सकते हैं। आज मैं यहाँ पर पहुँचा हूँ, जो भी कोई ये जो प्रोग्राम था उस प्रोग्राम में जो बच्चे इसमें कामयाबी हासिल करे हैं, मैं हम तमाम को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। और मैं यहाँ के टीचर से भी उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग भी ये बच्चों के पीछे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेहनत कीजिए, क्योंकि इन बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल जो है ना ज़्यादातर टीचर्स के हाथ में और उनके पेरेंट्स के हाथ में होता है। कि हम इन बच्चों को जो रास्ते पे ले जाना चाहे, ये बच्चों की उम्र के हिसाब से वो बच्चे वही रास्ते पे जाते हैं जो उनके पेरेंट्स ले जाते हैं और जो उनके टीचर्स ले जाते हैं। तो मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेते हुए इन बच्चों को मुबारकबाद देता हूं। आज जो कंपटीशन में जो बच्चे हिस्सा लिए और जो कामयाबी हासिल करें, और मैं उनसे कहना चाहूँगा कि आप आगे बढ़िए। और ख़ासकर मैं बॉयज़ से कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं जितना मैं जानता हूँ कि लड़कियां तो हमेशा जो है ना बॉयज़ से आगे रहते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों से भी कहना चाहूँगा कि आप भी आगे बढ़े, क्योंकि आने वाला वक्त बच्चों का होता है और बच्चियों का होता है। मैं आप तमाम का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और तहे दिल से उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग इसमें आगे बढ़ेंगे। शुक्रिया, खुदा हाफिज़।
ये मेरे दामाद हैं।
जी हाँ, इससे पहले भी मिला था, इससे पहले भी। कैसे सर, आपकी तबीयत अच्छी है?
Speech by Mr. Ayan from class 6B. Ayan, 6B.
అందరికీ నమస్కారము. కష్టపడి పడి చేయడమే విజయానికి అసాధ్యం. కష్టపడని విజయాలు అసాధ్యం. పని లేని వ్యక్తి మంచి అవకాశం వస్తుందని ఎదురు చూస్తూ కూర్చుంటే ఎప్పటికీ ఏమీ పొందలేడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మీ అద్భుతమైన పాటలకు ధన్యవాదాలు. రేహాన్ గారు, మీ పాటలకు మాకు గొప్ప ప్రేరణ కలిగించాయి. Now the movement we have all been waiting for is finally here. It's time to honor the incredible efforts and achievements of our winners. Let's get ready to celebrate their success.
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Dear Chief Guest, respected Chief Guest, Mr. Abdul Wahab, Carburetor of Chandan Bhutan. Dear parents also, and boys and girls. So we are gathered here by today we have giving prizes of those who are getting prizes. Okay. So boys and girls, keep it up. Always you are doing well done. And next time also you should be ready for competition. Congratulations again to our those who are getting prizes. Thank you.
Now let's start the ceremony. Now, from the senior section, I would like to call Safura from 8th A for the first prize. I request Mr. Wahab sir to do the honor. First prize is essay writing competition. Now second prize goes to Muhammad Shehbaz Hussain from 7th B. Okay. Now from the junior section, the first prize, Mariam Fatima from 6th class. Coming.
Next one is
Muskan.
Muskan Begum. बुला लो उनको, मुस्कान को बुला लो। मुस्कान बुला लो।
Now second prize, Muskan Begum from 5th class. I request Mr. Shiraz sir to do the honor. Let it be. Next. Third prize, Sidra absent.
Absent Sidra ना?
Consolation.
वो हटा दो।
अतिया वो मैडम के वहाँ अंदर।
जूनियर से बोलो।
Junior.
There are all the winners are here only.
Now consolation prizes, Shazeen Fatima from 6th A. Abu Hamza.
Winners come here.
Abu Hamza, 6th B.
Next भी बुला लो।
Abu Hamza, 6th B.
Next.
Samara Firdaus from Mesco High School. She is absent. Rukhaya from Shine. Ayan Uzair from 6th B. Senior.
Senior. इधर आ जाओ।
Now consolation prizes from senior section, Sophia Fatima, Ayan Khan, 8th class.
सोफिया फातिमा ले लो।
Absent. वो Shine. कोई नहीं. Sharif Khan from 9th B. Sheikh Aisha from 9th. Ayan. Sheikh Aisha.
अयान का नाम है।
First, second में पुकारे ना मैं. एक बार पुकार उनका अयान का. खुदा मेमुना.
अयान का होगा सर्टिफिकेट। अयान खान बोलो।
Ayan Khan from 8th class.
हटा दो ये absent।
ये absent इसके साथ. Sayyida Hafsa from 9th class. Mehreen Sultana from 7th class. Mehreen. Aziz Unnisa from 8th class. Jabeen Fatima from 7th. Kareem Faizan from 7th.
शाइन वाले आए नहीं आए
कोई भी नहीं है. Kareem Faizan. Speech in Urdu by Mustafa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा है। मैं आज आपको बड़ों की इज्जत व अहमियत के बारे में कुछ बातें बताना चाहूँगा। हमें बड़ों की इज्जत व अताअत करनी चाहिए, उनका अदब करना चाहिए। हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, फलैसा मिन्ना मन लम युक़्क़िर कबीरना, जो बड़ों की इज्जत नहीं करता वो हम में से नहीं। बड़ों में सबसे ज़्यादा हक हमारे माँ बाप का होता है। जो भी माँ बाप की इज्जत व अताअत नहीं करता वो हर वक्त मुश्किल उठाता है। जो बड़ों की इज्जत नहीं करता वो हम में से नहीं। जो बच्चे माँ बाप की इज्जत व अताअत नहीं करते वो हर वक्त नुकसान और तकलीफ उठाते हैं। बड़ों में माँ बाप ही नहीं बल्कि चाचा, मामू, खाला, फूफू और महल्ले के बड़े बुजुर्ग भी शामिल होते हैं। हमें इनकी भी अताअत करनी चाहिए। आइए हम सब इन बुजुर्गों का, अपने वालिदैन का और अपने बड़ों का एहतराम को बरकरार रखते हैं ताकि आने वाली नस्लें हमसे कुछ अच्छा सीख सके। आज हम जो करेंगे वो पलट के कल हमें वापस मिलेगा। हमारे आज को अच्छा बनाए ताकि हमारा आने वाला कल बेहतरीन हो। शुक्रिया।
शानदार तकरीर के लिए शुक्रिया। रोशन मुस्तकबिल के लिए नेक तमन्नाएं। आमीन। Now let's take a moment to enjoy a beautiful performance by 7th class girls to come forward and mesmerize us with the song.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thank you.
Let us all rise for the national anthem. Get up.
भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गावे तब जय गाता जनगण मन नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे